All-new ultra-compact design. Front and back ports fits, flexes and files in any setup. Built for Apple Intelligence. Personal, private, powerful. M4 Pro. Next-level performance. Game-changing graphics. More power to you. Meet the first carbon-neutral Mac. One giant leap for all Mackind. Introducing the far mightier, way tinier, all-new Mac Mini. 5 by 5 inches of pure power and purpose. Redesigned around Apple Silicon to unleash the full speed and capabilities of M4 and M4 Pro chips. With a wide array of ports now on the front and back, Mac Mini is the definition of efficiency and the first carbon-neutral Mac. It truly is the little Mac that could. Putting this much power in such a small space took a whole new thermal architecture. Within Mac Mini, air is guided to different levels of the system, and all of it flows through the foot. Combined with Apple Silicon's unmatched power, efficiency, this allows Mac Mini to breeze through intensive workloads at outrageous speeds. It's calm, cool, and perfected. Now with M4 and M4 Pro, Mac Mini delivers tremendous performance and next-level AI capabilities. Both chips feature the world's fastest CPU core, so everything feels snappy and fluid. Thanks to a powerful GPU with hardware-accelerated ray tracing, you'll experience incredibly realistic game graphics and smooth 3D rendering, and an advanced neural engine runs on-device Apple Intelligence at blazing speed. Make short work of everyday tasks, open and switch between apps seamlessly, and create and collaborate across apps like Microsoft Excel, Slack, and Zoom. And with Apple Intelligence, you have all kinds of features to supercharge productivity, pursue hobbies, passions, and even pro-level creative projects like editing video in Final Cut Pro, beat making and mixing music in Logic Pro, 3D modeling in Blender, or designing in Adobe Photoshop. Analyze massive datasets in MATLAB, craft 2D and 3D models in Autodesk AutoCAD, or even power a mobile medical station for imaging and charts. Play thrilling games like Prince of Persia, The Lost Crown, or enable hardware-accelerated ray tracing in titles like Myst, Control Ultimate Edition, and Layers of Fear 2023 for incredibly vibrant and realistic light, shadows, and reflections. Write and compile code faster with predictive code completion in Xcode, and build and test your app across multiple simulators quicker than ever. Apple Intelligence is designed to protect your privacy at every step. It's integrated into the core of your Mac through on-device processing, so it's aware of your personal information without collecting your personal information. And with groundbreaking private cloud compute, Apple Intelligence can draw on larger server-based models running on Apple Silicon to handle more complex requests for you while protecting your privacy. Mac Mini comes loaded with incredible built-in apps, industry-leading privacy and security, and amazing features for work and play. And macOS brings more speed and responsiveness to all your go-to apps, from Microsoft Word, Excel, and Outlook to Slack and Adobe Photoshop. When you use iPhone and Mac Mini together, they work like magic. You can make and answer phone calls and text messages from your iPhone directly on your Mac, use your iPhone as a webcam or document scanner, and access your iPhone wirelessly with the iPhone mirroring app in the dock.